Hello student. Today we are discuss about the intelligent agents. Basically, intelligent agent is what? The agents who perform the intelligent behaviors means they can solve the problem, they can reasoning, they can solve the queries. So that is called the intelligent agent. Like the agents, marketing agents, other agents. Similarly, the intelligent agent that will be we have deployed in artificial intelligence for to deploy a robotics that is an intelligent agent automatically solve the problem, automatically resolve the queries. They perform the whole like a human brain, so they have the intelligence. Very less contents. Introduction, then in agent types, rule of intelligent agents. Introduction. An artificial intelligence system is composed of an agent and its environment. Two systems are there. First one is the agent, second one is the environment. Agents are interacted with the environments and all the queries, whatever the performance the agents have done, that is in the environment. Agent did not perform anything beyond the environment. So the agent acts in their environments. Means whatever the actions they have performed in the within the environment. The environment may contain the other agent. In a environment, not only one agents are available. It may be only one, two, three, whatever the limits are there. There several agents may be within a single environment. That is the graphical representation. Environments, uh, that is the agents have the sensors like a human eye. They have the perceptions. They have understood the whatever the queries, whatever the problems. Then they are sensors by perceiving that particular things. They have reasoning in their brain. Then they are performing the actions by using their hands, legs, that are the effectors. Then their particular actions, whatever the activities they have performed, that particular actions again go to the environments. Means agents are showing, that is the environment. Agents are showing whatever the queries they have perceived, they have seen that particular queries, they have uh, understood, listen that particular queries, whatever the queries they have understood, they have perceived that particular queries. Then in during they by using the sensors, they resolved the queries. They understood whatever the methods procedure they have followed to resolve the queries. Then if they are using the effectors, hand, legs, that are the effectors to solve the queries, and that particular actions up to solving the queries is showing again the environment, that is the actions. So that is the agent types. Agent is anything that can perceive its environment through sensors and act upon that environment through effectors. As previous slides showed, sensors perceive the information, then effectors giving the action. A human agent has sensory organs such as eyes. The human agents are the sensory organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongues, and skin pad, parallel to the sensors, and other organs such as the hand, legs, mouth for the effectors. So these are organs for the sensors, and these organs, human's legs, are that for the effectors. Whatever the activities you have performed, whatever you have said, that is the your mouth, whatever the language sounds you have created, that is the effectors in human body. Robotics agents replace the cameras and infrared range finders for the sensor. As human eyes, similarly the robotics agent replace cameras and infrared in place of the human eye. And various motors and actuators are situated for the human hand and legs, mouth, that are working as the effectors. Similarly, the software agent has the encoded bit string as its programmed and actions. Software agent can have keystroke, file contents, and sensory inputs. That are the sensory inputs for the software agent, and the acts on those inputs and display output on the screen. That are the effects for that. Now we have discussed about the some terms used in the agents like sensor, actuator, effector. So sensor is a device which detects the changes in the environments and send the information to the other electronic devices. The main work of the sensor is just find out the whatever the activity changes in the environment. They have giving the information to other devices, electronic devices. That particular things are changes in that particular range of environments. An agent observes its environment through sensors. Actuators. Actuators are the component of machines that converts energy into motions. The actuators are only responsible for moving and controlling a system. And actuators can be an electric motor, gears, rails, etc. Effectors. Effectors are the device which affects the environment. Effectors can be legs, wheels, arms, fingers, wings, pines, and display screens, etc. Now we have discussed about the rules of intelligent agent. An intelligent agent is a goal-directed agent. Basically, that is goal-directed agent. It perceives its environments through its sensory sensors using the observation and built-in knowledge acts upon the environment through its actuators. Following are the main four rules for an artificial intelligence agents. Rule 1. An AI agent must have the ability to perceive the environment. AI agents must have the capabilities to perceive the environments, whatever the changes have done in the environment, whatever the queries they arise in the environment, they have perceived. Second rule is that the observations must be used to make the decision. That particular observations, observed data is used to solve to taking the decisions. Third rule is that decisions should result in an action. Decision should result in an action. Then last rule is that the action taken by an AI agent must be in a rational action. Thank you. That is the last topic. So here we have discussed about the intelligent agents. Whatever the intelligent agents out there.